Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Hey, we just got back from Highland, Maryland. I keep wanting to say Highland, Illinois, because I did two out there. But Highland, Maryland, and I'm sure you guys just saw the video. I just posted it a day or two ago. And I got something new in the shop I want to show you guys. Let me know what you think. And if you like my content, please like, share, and follow. All right, I'm going to turn the camera around. All right, so this Tiki Bar is a little different. They wanted no rope. Zero rope on it. So I just finished the bar top. It's all wood. And I didn't stain it yet. I'm going to stain it in a few minutes. But what do you guys think of this? Do you like the rope look? Or do you guys like the wood finished look? So the same with the bottom. And I completely forgot that this one was not getting rope. And I had this all roped and we had to rip it off and do all wood around it. So it actually turned out pretty good. This bar top turned out phenomenal. I just finished sanding everything and I'm going to stain it in a second. So since there's no rope going on, we still got to cover the holes where the poles come out. So what I think we're going to do is I'm going to get some, there's flexible trim that you can buy, and I could wrap it around the pole. And my client's bar stools are black, so we're gonna spray paint the flexible trim black after the bar's stained and sealed. So we'll see how that goes. All right, well, I'm gonna stain this. I'll see you guys in a few seconds. All right, there you go, guys. Told you I'd be back in a second, and it is stained. It's anybody wanting to know the color, it's Minwax color. It's called Driftwood. It's an exterior stain though. So they have a driftwood that's interior, and it's a totally different color. So if you like this color, make sure you get the right one. Exterior oil-based, not the water-based. All right, so what do you guys think? Love to hear your comments. All right, so now we just have to seal it with, do 3 coats of Minwax bar urethane, Helmsman. Clear gloss. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Tiki Kev out. Hey guys, haven't posted in probably a good week, so I posted about my dogs, but we're heading to Sparta, New Jersey tomorrow, so let me turn the camera around and show you guys what we got going on. All right, there we go. All right, I am waiting for a couple friends to come over and help load this. This is an 8x8, gets a refrigerator, and it's a huge roof. The roof without the thatch on it is right about 1,200 pounds. It's a big roof going on this one. So I got some friends coming over. We're going to load it on the flatbed trailer here. The other trailer way up there. That's all loaded with all the tools, all the roofing stuff, supplies, all that. But this bar was too big to get on the other trailer. So it's going on this one. All right, so we're heading out of here 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. And I don't know, maybe I'll make another video once it's on the trailer. But until then, we'll see you in Sparta, New Jersey. Oh boy, here we are, guys. We are in Sparta, and we have a very narrow driveway to get up with the trailer. But we were able to pull the other truck and trailer up. Actually drove right through. But we got a hill to deal with too. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It took us about 2.5 hours to get here. But this is what we got right here. So we were able to get the truck and trailer close. Pretty close. Bar's going up over there. There's Kevin. And there's Walt. Alright, so this is what we're up against. I think getting the bar off is going to be easy. Getting the other trailer up here is going to be a little tough. Oh, definitely fighting gravity on this. It's the first time I've ever taken a bar off the trailer going uphill.
You've done it downhill?
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, downhill's easy.
Yeah.
But we'll see in the next video what happens. All right, guys. Well, we are done here in Sparta, New Jersey. This is it was interesting getting everything up from the driveway. Let me take you over there first. Happy birthday to me. This is what I do on my birthday. I'm 36 today. And if any of you believe that, I'll tell you another one. But the truck and trailer's way down the driveway. And we had to bring everything up through here. Up this hill and in here. But it worked out well. We brought extra people for this job. And the homeowners, Eric and Kevin, they all helped out. So this is a 8x8 custom red cedar Tiki Bar with a door reed Viva 3.0. And what else do we have? No stools on this one. They have their own chairs. But we got a ceiling fan in this one. We got rope lighting. It goes with every bar, cabinets, you know, the whole 9 yards. Ice bin. We put that pole in there, mounted that piece of plywood, which we painted black. That's going to be the backer for the TV. They're going to hang a TV up there. And you got a live well, or, you know, whatever you want to call that. And the switch controls everything in the ceiling. And yes, I'm tired, guys. And glass door refrigerator, which I believe this one, yep, lights up when you open it. So that is pretty much it for this project. There's Walt and Daniel. I don't know what happened to the Big Kahuna and Krabby Larry, but I think they're closing up the trailer. It's 3 o'clock. We got a couple hour drive home. And then I'm going to do a birthday shot when I get home. 36 years old. Sure. Alright, guys. Well, let me know what you think. If you like my content, please like, follow, and share. I'm tired. Oh, let's go around the bar this way. There's Kevin. That's Tiki Kev 2.0. He's taking over the business. He's got the right name. That's right. He's got a good attitude. I'm just going to will it over to him. There's our bar chairs there. Oh, wait a second. I forgot to do one thing. Whoa, who made this? Yeah, Tiki Kev. Alright, guys. From Sparta, New Jersey, the Tiki Kev crew today is Daniel, Walt, Krabby Larry, and the Big Kahuna Bob. So, signing off from Sparta, New Jersey.